Oil news release in 2 minutes on December 3rd. So let's take a look and let's talk what we are expecting on oil. Crude oil inventory expectations are 0.05. What is oil telling us currently? Let's take a look on our guiding light 1 hour. Here is oil hourly, correct? Our bias on oil had been long ever since yesterday. Any short trade is extremely aggressive. Long, long pre-market. As I warned you, as we had taken shorts, it made it to decision point 2. Buying oil here is way too late. So, oil is extremely unpredictable as bullish rally started since overnight session. I'm interested in oil push to the downside. Lower oil goes, better off we are. Only then we will be looking to buy. As you're witnessing, selling pressure on oil had been in a play. Sell has been stepping in constantly and consistently across multiple time frames, but not with much power. The same thing currently happening on S&P, as I warned you. It ain't pretty. S&P remains in reversal zone. Buying S&P at these levels is extremely late and extremely aggressive. Our last buy on S&P was here. That's where you buy. Buying anywhere near here becomes very aggressive and very bad idea. So again, bias on oil is absolutely bullish, but we're expecting push to the downside. And when that will play out with meaning, we will be looking to buy. As we know extremely well, only wise and prudent traders looking to buy oil, knowing and expecting extremely well very brutal resistance at these levels. Oil news is out. Oil news is out. Instant news source Trades News had shown us we don't have enough oil. It's extremely bullish news. Is it possible? Bullish news. Shortage of supply and oil is collapsing. I warned you, expect that. News is worthless. If you're buying only based on the news, that's what you get. I warned you, the collapse is completely expected and it can be quite impressive as powerful. Nevertheless, our bias remains bullish. Is this clear? We expected selling pressure. More powerful it will be, better off we are. Once again, price reminded you. Bullish news. We have 6 and 7 times as much shortage of supply. What has happened to oil? It just collapsed. How many ticks? Many. That's a reminder. That's what I've been warning you since market open. Here we go. Is everybody clear? Serious trading based on set-based rules. I explained to you where we were buying oil yesterday when bullish rally was absolutely painless. 120 and 50 ticks. Not much I can do when we come to the markets and oil is here. Here our bias is bearish. Here knowledgeable trader knows extremely well. Buyers are in charge. This bearish push is only temporary. What else do we know about oil? We know to respect and adore oil because oil is a low liquidity instrument. And again, I can't get enough. Reminder. Play by the rules. Do not ever get tempted. News is completely worthless if it contradicts the price. Is everybody clear on that? That's the power of knowledge, and that's the power of respecting what price is telling you. We expected push to the downside. Nevertheless, our bias extremely clearly from daily and hourly charts since yesterday remains bullish. But here we are, 2 minutes after news release, and the collapse on oil continues. Here we go, 50 ticks later. Anybody wants to buy on fundamentals? That's what you get. Is that clear? The power of the price, do not ever underestimate it. Price is telling you everything you need to know. Collapse continues, ladies and gentlemen. Lower it goes, better off we are. I would love to see oil here or even here. It would be so much better. Go down, baby. Show the world that everything preset in price far in advance before any news. And news is completely worthless if it contradicts the price. We know also extremely well this pullback is very, very temporary. But as my bias remained bearish since early this morning, I warned you, at any moment sellers will step in and selling will be vicious. And here we go, bullish news, and oil collapsed. 80 ticks already. Go down, baby. We'd love to buy you as low as possible. And that's the power of the price. Only play by the rules. Do not ever, ever, ever get tempted by the markets. And S&P reminding you this morning, that's what happens if you're buying in reversal zone. Worthless chop. Back and forth, back and forth. We're seeing extremely well that buyers are still in charge, but they're so extremely tired. And here we go. I'm interested in looking for buy on oil. But I will only buy oil if rules will be met. Make sense? That's all there is. Pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exits. Don't ever, ever, ever break the rules. News is completely worthless if it contradicts the rules. Oil collapsed from extremely bullish news release for 140 ticks. We waited extremely patiently for this collapse to wrap up and we had taken long. We are at our first target. What is crucial? Oil in incredible conflict. In order for my trade to migrate into a larger time frame, my trade has to break through all of my targets. The conflict's still in. Extremely bullish news, 140 tick collapse on oil. Reminded you, do not ever make decision based on the news and fundamentals if it contradicts the price. This push to the downside was expected at the time of extremely bullish news release. And I warned you, we are not out of the woods. Respect that target highly. Oil may spin us for quite a while, for the next 10 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, this bullish rally is here with vengeance. My bias that remained bullish, yay, is in. Go, baby. Can you blast through reversal zone and migrate into a larger time frame? You can do it. I am voting for you, my love. Move your stop outside of reversal zone. We are in. 30 ticks later. Can rally will pick up this steam and blast through 67.90. How cool is price? We expected for sellers to push down. They did. And buyers stepped in here. We've taken long, but we are not out of the woods, traders. My trade in reversal zone, in order for my trade to migrate into larger time frame, it has to blast through reversal zone. We're also discussing with my amazing students that other time frames pointing up to these levels. Buckle up! How magnificent is price! I can't wait for a boot camp. We'll be dissecting this in detail. We will not be wasting our time on silly conversations. I'll be quizzing bejesus out of you on the magic of the price. That's showing you and confirming nothing in this world is random. Life is only a stage. Are you an actor who can play by the rules? The sky's are the limit. The same symmetry you are seeing in price is found in everything that surrounds you. We knew that reversal zone will be a major obstacle. We knew to adjust our trail and take our lovely 40 ticks out. Will oil break through this level? That remains to be seen. We just simply respected what price had been telling us since yesterday, and you are witnessing painless confirmation of knowledge. If you stay with the trend, the skies are the limit. Buyers had been in charge since 3 days ago because reversal zone of the bullish trend had been reached. Just like reversal zone on my bullish trade had been reached and price pushed down, reminding you, play by the rules and do not ever ignore reversal zone. Let's monitor for another point of entry. Happy, happy oil news day, traders. Bullish trade is in. 4 targets are reached. Third long trade on oil after oil news release. Buyers stepping in once again. Again, reminder, this was my ideal place to buy oil, remember? Once again, my long on oil in reversal zone. Respect and adore and obey reversal zone. Oil blasts through this level, my trade migrates into larger time frames. We discussed with student how crucial this area is. The fight between buyers and sellers is in. And it's brutal. Brutal, brutal, brutal. Would be so lovely if oil will finally confirm the news. What are you witnessing? You're witnessing how worthless news is if it contradicts the price. Our buyers had been bearish here, correct? We knew that extremely well. We waited for collapse to finish and only bought here. Third trade on oil, only bullish. Will sellers succeed if sellers will continue further down because buyers were not able to break through reversal zone? Guess what next? Next, 66.60 and 65.60. And we will learn who is in charge in the next few minutes. This is the moment of truth on oil. We're having 50% buyers and 50% sellers. In order for oil buying pressure to continue, buyers have to blast through reversal zone next. Very, very crucial moment on oil, with 67.45 being the key level. Trail, whoa, go baby. How much fun can trading be? Mwah! You can do it. Break through reversal zone. Play by the rules. Respect the price. Can you do it? Can you give us what you gave us yesterday? We'd love to take you for 120 ticks. How much fun can trading be? How is magical is price? Is it possible that oil cannot break through reversal zone just like S&P? Oh no, we are out of our trade. Oil was not able to break through 67.42. Respect the rules and the sky's the limit. That's all there is. 3 long trades since oil news release, but oil reminded you as a collapse was 140 ticks. Price overrides any news time and time again, and that's precisely the reason why I love oil news day. Picture perfect reminder, play by the rules and do not ever disrespect the price. We only respect news due to volatility, but we only trade based on the price. I'm warning you, oil currently telling me it's heading south. 66.60 is next, and then 65.60. If you know the rules, you know what to do. Look forward to seeing you in a boot camp. Guys, we had done 4 trades today on oil, which take us to 14 trades in 3 days of December. Extremely, extremely dangerous to overtrade. 13 trades came to decision point 1, correct? 12 trades came to decision point 2. 3 of our trades today came to reversal zone, and 2 of our trades blasted through reversal zone. And that remains the key. If you're respecting the targets, you will always and forever remember and understand nothing in this world is random. It's absolutely crucial to move your stop to break even before price comes to reversal zone. So there we go, 14 trades on oil, 13 positive. Very, very powerful few days of December. On S&P, 4 trades, no negative trades on S&P. Between oil and S&P, we accomplished 18 trades in 3 days for demonstration purposes in our trading room. Once again reminding you the power of the price and Fibonacci. Can't wait to see you in bootcamp. Bootcamp 1 week from now.